Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic text correction on this Motorola. You need to start by opening device's settings. After that, scroll all the way down. Then click on System section. Now you need to select Languages and Input. Then click on On-Screen Keyword, and finally Gbert. After that, you need to click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled, but you can always enable it by choosing the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!